Hi everybody! In this video we're going to learn how to draw the internal tangent lines to two circles. First of all, we have to join the two centers and then we draw the perpendicular segment bisector. We are going to label the middle point as 8. Now we are going to add the smaller circle radius to the larger circle. And with that measure, we are going to draw a circle with center in O'. Then we draw an arc with center in 8 and radius 8 O', and we mark the intersections between that arc and the larger circle, the one that we have just done. Then we draw a line that goes from O' to N and another one that goes from O' to N. The intersections between those lines and our original circle are going to be the points of tangency U and V. What we have to do now is to draw a parallel line to O'N and move it to O'n'. You can see here that they are crossed, they are in the opposite side because the tangent lines are internal, so they are going to be crossed. We have to do the same with the other tangency point, which is O'U and OU'. Finally, we just have to draw the tangent lines. Remember that they are internal, so they look like crossed. So we join U' with U and V' with V. Don't forget to label the tangent lines R and S. And that's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Greetings to my students. Bye!